What not to do before buying a house. Typically, everybody puts out a lot of information on the process of home buying and how to buy a house and the things to do. So I figured I'd just flip it today. And today we're going to talk about what not to do before buying a house. Number one, don't miss loan payments. Any outstanding balances that you have, make sure that you're making your payments on time, if not paid off. But just make sure that you make your payments. Number two, avoid changing jobs. So lenders like stability. Anytime that things stay the same, they have a lot more confidence in that. You may be fed up with your current employer or don't like your work and you've been thinking about changing for a while. But as you're jumping into the buying process, avoid making that move until after you've closed on the loan. Number three, don't shift your finances around before getting the loan. Once again, banks like stability. They want to see that all your money goes to where it goes and it stays pretty steady Eddie. So if anything changes and you need to move large sums of money around, just make sure you contact your loan officer first. And I know I'm beating stability to death, but don't change your banking institution. If you bank at the local bank or credit union or wherever the case may be, and you've been seeing other deals for other rates and other products at other places, that all looks fine and good, but wait until after you close on the loan before you decide to make the jump and change your banking institution. Once again, loan officers like to see stability. Number five, don't buy a new car. So they use fancy words like financing, but that just means another loan. So don't buy a car, moped, scooter, motorcycle, any vehicle that would require financing. Don't do it. Number six, don't buy furniture or large household appliances and stuff like that on credit. Don't do it. Large bills put on your credit card at this point in time does not look good and it does not help your chances of closing this loan. So don't do it. Number seven, avoid making large or cash deposits into your account. I know that you're able to get gifts from family members and things like that for a bunch of different loan products out there, but if it's cash or you're moving stuff from savings to checkings, just make sure you contact your loan officer before you make that move. They can walk you through the steps that need to take place beforehand, but don't just do it on your own. Number eight, avoid lying or stretching the truth on your loan inquiry. I know people want to get loans and they have this gut feeling that maybe this number's a little bit off, so if I just tell them it's this, then maybe that'll make it all good. They're going to find out at some point in time because they're going to run your credit score, they're going to see your bank accounts, they're going to know your income, your debt, they're going to know all of that stuff. So put it all on the application to what it really is, and nobody's judging you. You're not a bad person if you don't have a 800 credit score and it's only a 790. Doesn't matter. Just put it on there. Be truthful. Be honest. It'll help you close the loan. Number nine, don't let anyone make an inquiry into your credit. That includes yourself. No going online and saying, I'll just print out a free credit score on myself or whatever the case may be. If you're looking at your credit, it's going to hurt your credit, especially when you're looking to close this loan so that you can buy this house. Number 10, don't spend your closing money. You are going to need those funds so that you can secure this property. Once you get to the closing table, there's always going to be costs involved with the closing process. Making sure that you have cash on hand to pay for these things is critical. If you don't have enough money for closing, then you're going to lose the house. Number 11, don't overextend yourself. Buying a house is a wonderful wealth builder and it's the American dream, but don't bite off more than you can chew. Don't buy a house that's too large with a monthly payment that you are not comfortable paying, or if one thing is off slightly, then you're going to have difficulties paying your mortgage. So the moral of the story is make sure that you're at a comfort level of spending what you're spending on the house that you're looking at without overextending yourself. Make sure you feel comfortable in the price range you're spending on your monthly payments. Number 12, avoid being a co-signer on someone else's loan. You are taking on a financial commitment, so you're putting your name on another loan as you're in the process of trying to secure your own loan. There's a great chance that that loan will not close because you've already co-signed on someone else's. So no co-signing on family, friends, anybody else's loan. Get your house first. Number 13, don't spend more than the value of the home. In today's day and age, bidding wars and escalation clauses are commonplace. Make sure that you don't go off the handle and go above the value of the house, because you have to keep in mind the house needs to appraise for the bank or the lender to actually give you the loan, to close the loan on that house. So if you keep driving the price up in an escalation clause or a bidding war, you got to have the cash in hand to pay for that difference in price point if the house does not appraise. Keep in mind that you have to pay closing costs as well. Don't spend your closing money. This has been what not to do before buying a house. Make sure that you like this video down below. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more valuable content that comes out on a weekly basis. Once you subscribe, make sure you click that notification bell so every time I drop a new video, you're right on it. Share this with whoever may need this or find this valuable. Write me a comment down below, or you can contact me at my website, mccordrealtor.com. If you have any questions or if I can help you in any possible way. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.